Whenever you're ready, Jeff. Should I do away with the beard? Should I wear my beard on this or not? Maybe with the beard. We'll see.
So when I felt inadequate.
I want to look
We're
like
all Santa Rob now.
I want to look like Santa Rob.
Man,
All right, we're going to be talking about the Bosch Flexi-Click. It's that 5-in-1 driver.
5-in-1.
5,
yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's do this. Is your first episode of Sesame Street.
4 attachments. I'm trying to figure this one out now.
I don't.
How is that 5?
So there's 4 attachments, and I think they're calling the 5th. Like if you take, can you see the driver? So if you take this is like,
Oh, there you go.
that's the 5th
driver.
maybe, because it tight access.
Maybe.
What's this for?
Well,
That's so low
it's part of the
profile.
4.
I mean, if you start adding this
that's
in,
quick
technically
access.
you've got like a that's like a 6-in-1 right
yeah,
there.
if you put the right angle,
Then you
that's-
get all
Once you
3
add,
attachments
once you add a
again.
right angle, you multiply it. So now
Yeah,
you got
yeah.
a 9-in-1, 6-in-1, 6-in-1.
Hey guys,
I mean, what if you keep
you got the neat case.
Oh.
That's 6-in-1.
There we go.
Oh no, this
That's,
is
that's not an
is how-
attachment.
This is how I
Santa
want to
stand.
show up on
Santa.
my first day of work with my little
Lunchbox.
briefcase.
this looks like a lunch
With my
box.
briefcase.
All right, look, we got to start the video.
All right.
Just
Let's start.
Let's
Don't
do this.
forget when it's out of bullets, you can throw it at the horse.
It's also a hammer.
right.
Don't use it as a hammer.
All right, guys, this is a special. I can't keep my little hat on. This is a special edition video. It is sponsored by Ohio Power Tools.
Every year we publish a holiday gift guide.
This year we're doing the 12 days of Toolmas.
Starting December 1st, we're going to publish one video every day for 12 days, highlighting a different tool each day.
These are tools that we feel would make a great gift for that guy, that gal that you're having trouble buying for.
Maybe they're a DIYer, or maybe they're a DUIer, or maybe they're in the trades.
Scott's never going to live this down, is he?
Nope.
Never.
Never.
Hey guys, either way, you're going to be able to see all of these videos and tools on our Toolbox Buzz 2019 Holiday Gift Guide.
If you like a tool, you can find a purchase link in the video description below.
All right,
on the
well
website.
let's talk about this tool. What do we got going on here, Jeff?
We have the Bosch highly debated 5-in-1 Flexi-Click.
Stan, I want a different hat. This keeps falling off.
I like the
bothering
name.
me.
Flexi-Click. Click it or ticket.
Click it or ticket. That's it. Oh, I'll do that one.
Yeah.
That's good.
There you
Perfect.
go.
All right, new hat. Hold on. Wardrobe malfunction. All right.
Whoa.
So they advertise it as a 5-in-1 design. It's highly debated here at the Toolbox Buzz crew because we see only 4 attachments. So what do you think?
Well, I actually own one of these, and I use it in my trim kit all the time, and I gotta say, it's a great tool.
That has nothing to do with whether it's 4 or 5.
No, it's whatever. Marketing, yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter.
I know.
At the end of the day, what matters is that the thing is highly versatile. It gets into those tight spots when you're installing cabinets and stuff like that. The right angle attachment is really low profile and nice. And this little 1/4-inch driver attachment is very low profile, which is awesome.
Yeah.
And yeah, I've really.
How about the offset? You like it?
The offset? This is like I probably use this more than any other attachment.
You're kidding me.
No, like
Really?
except maybe the actual drill chuck because I have an
Right
impact I
angle?
use for driving. No, this more definitely because more often I'm getting into tight corners and I need to get onto a piece of 3/4 that's behind the thing I'm.
All right, let's try this. Hold on. So I want to ask you a question. So as a tool owner,
Yes.
as somebody who's had plenty of experience with the tool, and you want to use the offset.
Yes.
And you're kind of you pick an offset and you're stuck with it.
Yeah.
No. Or
It doesn't
you can
matter.
change it. How do you change the offset?
What do you mean? How do you change
The
offset?
angle. If
Oh,
you
how do you
adjust
change?
it,
Yeah. All right. So you
adjust it.
you pull it like this and then you just spin it.
Oh, you pull it.
spring loaded.
Oh, okay. Who taught you that?
You did.
Ethan's good at pulling it. Ethan knows how to pull it. So just
Dude,
pull
years
it,
of practice.
pull it, and adjust it. I like
Yeah.
that. So it's
And
probably.
the-
Hold on, wait.
Look
Let's try
at
to figure
that.
this out. 1, 2, 3.
There should be 12
4.
positions.
I think it's 16. 5,
16.
6.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. It is 16. Yep.
Yeah,
And
I mean,
the
16
right angle works the
positions.
same
Yeah,
way.
someone
Yeah.
wrote a book about
So
that.
the right angle.
Kama Sutra.
All right, keep it
Wow.
clean. Keep it clean.
And on that note,
So a couple things on this thing. There's an LED light on it.
Nope,
It
there we
stays on for about 10 seconds.
yep.
Is that pretty much what we thought?
Yep.
So I like the right angled attachment. Are you counting right now? Yes.
Don't interrupt.
Yeah,
I don't want to
don't
interrupt.
distract.
I like the right angle attachment because
10 seconds.
everything works off this.
Yep.
So if you're not doing straight in driving, drilling, whatever,
Yep, you can
You put
attach
this on, and then everything
The
else
drilling
works off
chuck.
of
You can attach the offset chuck. I've had times where I've had to do that. It was not a pretty situation, but it got stuff done, which was
So this would be a really bad day, I think, if you need to use the offset.
Yeah, it's not a good day.
That's gonna suck.
That's
With an extender.
That's a rough install right
what
there.
the
That's
heck
a rough.
are you trying to get in? You know,
I can tell you some stories, Rob. I can tell you some stories. Some rough cabinet installs.
so
rough cabinet
I forget how much this was. This $150? It's a kit, right?
yeah.
It's about $150.
That's pretty good.
So I think that's freaking
That's
awesome.
amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
amazing. So
Yeah.
as a gift, this is a great gift. By the way, I think this could be across all ranges. So DIY
Oh, yeah.
or
Oh,
yeah,
DUI if you're
absolutely.
Scott, and all the way up to
Never gonna live that down.
never live it down. All the way up to pro contractor, homeowners,
sure.
everybody in between,
Absolutely.
painters, electricians, MEP,
Yep.
HVAC, all those guys. This is a problem.
I wish
solving
more
tool.
painters had those things. They might not strip out so many freaking fasteners when they're pulling hardware.
But look at the size of this thing too. What's it weigh? Like 2 pounds, 3
Something
pounds?
like that. It's
gonna
light.
fit right in my bag, my
Yeah.
tool bag. This is something you could have on you all day long if you wanted. I don't know about
Yeah.
all the other attachments.
Just remember, you have 4 attachments.
4 attachments
Don't forget the neat case.
and the neat case.
In the case,
And
well,
All right, so we're
They
in,
had to cut the
we're
corner
in
somewhere.
agreement. This is a great gift.
it is a great gift.
Yeah.
It's a great
Fantastic.
gift. I think this is a home run for Bosch. I thought it was a home run when they came out with it. In fact, who else has them? Like Festool has a version of it. Milwaukee just came out with a version of it, but Bosch was.
Festool's been
Festool
around
was
for a
first?
while. They were first, but they don't have the offset for their 12
Yeah,
volt.
and they have a different
They have
design.
one for their bigger tool, but
Right.
not for the,
Right.
Not exactly
They don't have
price
the
point
offset.
either.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and not at the same price point.
No, not even
close.
close.
Not even
Yeah.
close. In fact, I think this is the best price point for this type of installation tool out there.
I would.
I think
agree with that,
I think
yeah.
it goes this,
For sure.
Milwaukee, and then Festool.
Yep.
I think that's probably how you.
that sounds right.
Anyway, guys, home run. It's the Bosch Flexi-Click. Click it a ticket. We'll put this in our Toolbox Buzz gift guide. You'll see it. You can read more about it. There'll be a video, not a video. There'll be a purchase link in the video description below. And what do you say? We say goodbye.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
You're not supposed to
Not
say
supposed to be
Merry
Merry Christmas anymore, man.
That's my
Let's
thing.
do it again. Ready?
No, I'm sorry.
Everybody, happy,
Happy
holidays.
holidays.
Better nothing than the wrong thing, right?
Oh, what are we going to do with you?